Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to Dash of Delight with me Soumya. Today, let's make a simple and quick recipe yet extremely healthy. Let's make spinach and lentil soup today, also known as Saagpaita or Daal Palak. Let's quickly start off. For spinach and lentil soup or Daal Palak, we need Daal or black split lentils. So let me show you once. So these are the black lentils I'm talking about, the cylindrical ones. And I have taken here its split version. This is the one. If you do not have this, you could also use the green ones or moong dal. But whichever amongst these you use, try to go for their split versions for better taste. So these are the two I'm talking about, the black or green, but the split ones. So let's move on to the next ingredient. So here I've taken 1 lb or half kg spinach. So you need not to chop them, just wash it thoroughly under running water and then tear them apart like this. And also please do not discard these stems, they are very nutritious. Then we need cooking oil, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, half teaspoon Asafoetida, salt to taste and 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Now we'll start off with the boiling of lentils and spinach. So take a pressure cooker and start layering them. So layer half of the spinach at the bottom of the cooker like this. See, and above this just spread half of the lentils. So here are the lentils. And spread half of them above the spinach like this. There we go. And now again second layer of spinach like this. Add all the remaining ones. And then finally above it drop all the lentils into it like this. And now add in half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste like this. And then 1 glass water into it. So that's it. We don't need to add anything else. So now place the lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 whistles on a low-medium temperature. Also, if you do not have pressure cooker, you can take any saucepan or any available large vessel for this process. Now in a wok, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and once it is hot, just add in the garlic, saute it for a while and once it changes its color, add in the green chilies. So the green chilies have to be according to your taste. You can increase or decrease as per your requirement. So now add in the Asafoetida or Hing. Then saute it for a while and then add in the tomatoes. Add in all the tomatoes at this stage, like this. Also add in the salt. So salt also has to be according to your taste. Just be careful as we have added salt in our lentils as well. Now we need our tomatoes to become mushy, so let them cook for around 4 to 5 minutes on a low-medium temperature. Meanwhile, let's have a look at our spinach and lentils. Wow, can you see it is cooked so well? And here our sauce is also all set. Our tomatoes are nicely cooked and become mushy. Now pour the spinach and lentil soup into the sauce like this and stir it continuously. We need to thoroughly mix everything together, the lentils, spinach and the sauce. Now at this stage you may also taste a bit and add salt if required. This is amazing guys, can you see the color and the texture? Now take it out in a serving bowl and garnish it with some chopped pieces of tomatoes like this. And it's all yours. So guys, if you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.